This is a demonstration of experiment 8. This is CPE233 experiment 8. So the board's essentially off right now. I'm going to go ahead and program it. And programming it. And it comes up with a 0. So what this is going to do is going to count button presses. And it can count up and down dependent upon whether a switch is up or down. And so whether it counts up or down is dependent upon the rightmost switch. And it counts between 0 and 20. It doesn't go below 0 and it doesn't go above 20. So if I try to count up at 20, it stays at 20. If I count down at 0, it stays at 0. So anyway, that's the deal. So right now I'm going to turn the switch down and press the button a bunch of times, and it does nothing because it's trying to count down and it's stuck at 0. But now I'm going to turn the switch up. Then I'm going to count up, and it's looking good. I'll turn the switch down, and it counts down, happy stuff. And then I'm going to count up. I'm going to count all the way up to 20 here. Somehow. There's 20 counting up. It can't count up anymore. And then I'm going to count down. And I'm going to point something out to you. Which is interesting that you don't need to know and you don't need to account for, but when I go from, it's a multiplex display, so when I go from displaying one value to two values, you're going to see the displays get dimmer because since they're on for less amount of time. So let's see if we can see that. I don't think you can see it on via video, but the issue is if you test it on your own board, you can actually see that. And you can account for it, but you don't need to for this experiment. So 9 goes to 10, and at least on my board is noticeably dimmer. Well, I think that's interesting anyway. Good stuff.